1.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reacting to ASDF movie 10. Finally, it's out. Finally, I've been waiting for this, and I'm excited, so let's just go and watch this.
No! Don't jump! Okay, now jump!
Boy!
You want a piece of me? Yeah? Well, here you go then. Thanks.
Hey kids, who's ready to draw? Me! Okay then, draw.
Oh!
Okay, hit the apple. Yes!
Oh!
Hey, what time is it? It's medication time!
Definitely. That's better.
This is better. Chase me, Susie! Chase me!
Oh!
Good.
What?
Hey, I'm not like other girls. I have snake arms.
Ooh!
I'm sorry, Jim, but I'm going to have to let you go.
No, please! No!
Oh.
Is this you?
Yes!
Hello?
Hi!
Hey, here comes that transgender guy.
I like trains.
Oh! I like trans guy.
I wish I could fly!
Your wish is granted.
Oh!
Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep. I'm a sheep. You know what I hate? Child murderers. Oh no, here comes one now!
I'm gonna get ya!
Oh god.
Cannonball!
When's it gonna land? I like that.
My beautiful baby, this is the happiest day of my life.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Oi.
Have you seen my lemons? I want my lemons.
I don't want to be fat anymore.
Aw. He can't help it.
Meow, meow. I'm a cow. I said meow, meow. I'm a cow.
Boy. I like this.
If you like Aston movie, you should.
Okay, I gotta check out the music video. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel today. And I think I'm just gonna like this right now. It's really good. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Sorry this was a little short, but bye.